I am Director of Biopsych Analytics and I'm also a Research Fellow at the University of Queensland. That means I do lots of psychophysiological research and looking at how we can improve human performance in a whole range of different populations, and I supervise PhDs as well. And so for these people in enterprise and in organisations, knowing how sleep and stress impacts your cognitive performance and your mental capabilities, I think is an absolute game changer. This is why I think, organisations and companies and anyone who needs their brain, needs to show up, sound smart, have speed of processing, be able to, make decisions really quickly, think critically, I think is super important to understand what is going on in your physiology, how your physiology impacts your psychology, your moods, and therefore how that impacts your interpersonal dynamics, how you operate in a team, and therefore how you operate in an organisation. So I really say in order to lead others, first you must lead yourself, and that's leading your physiology. I think for leaders, more and more the lines are blurring between, how much do you care about your employees? Do you just care about what they're like at work? Or do you actually start to care about what is happening at home and how are they showing up at work and why are they showing up like that? And I think this is what it really gives you. It really gives you the capability to understand the psychophysiological state of your employees. And if you see that your employees are in the red, they're not sleeping, is this something that's, happening because their workload is too high, their stress levels at work are too high, or is it something at home? And I think more and more leaders are finding that they have to be a little bit more responsible for the holistic employee, not just them at work, but them as a complete person. And so this means, understanding, the biopsychosocial environment. Without data, you can't really know. And I think what WHOOP does, it really brings sort of tangible, metrics that you can say, hey, why don't you try going to bed within the same 15-minute window every night and see how that goes. And this is what we're seeing, that organisations are starting to, really call for this capability so they can help employees in their home lives without really kind of interjecting too much into their lives, and just helping them with sleep is just a first instance, really effective way that you can make your employees much more capable.